Chris Kinnerk here at Southbound Honda in Lakewood, Washington, coming at you on a beautiful Wednesday afternoon. You guys, I'm so excited to announce this new opportunity from HRC Honda to you. I can't even begin to put into words how blessed and how grateful we are. Because of all of you, our amazing customers, we were one of the top 5 contributors to the motocross segment for Honda in the 2019 calendar year in our region. And because of that, we've been selected for this HRC Honda VIP dealer fan experience. What does that mean to you? Well, 12 of you guys are gonna get an opportunity to be transported by us, Southbound Honda, up to CenturyLink Field, where you will get a super intimate one-on-one experience with the riders, autograph signing, get to ask questions, hang out with them for a while. Then they're gonna take off. You'll get a tour of the factory rigs, hang out with HRC team, you know, ask questions, look, touch, feel, all that fun stuff. Honda's gonna feed you guys dinner, and we're gonna hang out for a while, and then you guys will get transported back to the dealership.
No way.
That's all gonna happen Friday night, March 27th. We're gonna do an open house on March 21st to announce our winners. So as of right now, what you need to be doing is getting in your rig, drive your butt down to the dealership like today and get your name in the mix for this opportunity. This is once in a lifetime. This is huge. We're so blessed and thankful. If it wasn't for all of you guys, this wouldn't even be a thing for us. So stay tuned as we continue to give you more and more announcements. We've got a lot of really fun stuff coming with this program. And thank you so much for your guys' support. Spread the word, get down here today. We're gonna have a spot for you guys to drop your name in the mix, and we'll keep leaking you info. So you guys have a great one, and we'll see you soon. Take care.